This video walks you through how to set up notifications in Xero. Start from your Xero dashboard, since that is where the notification controls shown here are available. Once you are logged in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find the bell icon, which is the place Xero uses to show alerts and account-related updates. Click the bell icon to open the notifications panel. When the panel appears, you will see the current notifications tied to your Xero account and your organization. These can include updates that Xero has generated based on activity that is relevant to what is happening in the account. Take a moment to review what appears in the list. Each notification in this panel represents a related alert or update, and you can open one directly from here. When a notification appears that you want to check, click on it to open the related activity. This lets you move from the notification itself to the item or event it refers to so you can review it in context. After you have gone through the items you need, return to the notifications panel if it is still open. At the top of that panel, you will see the option labeled Mark All as Read. Click that when you want to clear the list after reviewing your notifications. This updates the panel so those items are no longer shown as unread. When you are finished viewing the notification list, go to the upper right corner of the panel and click the X to close it. That returns you to your normal view in Xero without changing anything else on the page. One important detail to note is where notification controls are and are not located in Xero. The bell icon is the place where you view these alerts, but Xero does not provide a general notification settings option or a separate setup notifications option on the organization settings page shown here. If you are looking for a settings screen to turn broad notification categories on or off from that area, it is not available in this workflow. Instead, the notifications you see through the bell are generated by Xero based on relevant account and organization activity. That means the panel reflects what Xero determines is important for the account rather than giving you a separate setup page for general notification preferences in the settings area. If a new alert appears later, you can return to the same bell icon, open the panel again, review the update, and mark notifications as read when needed. The process remains the same each time you want to check activity from this part of the interface. You have now opened, reviewed, marked, and closed notifications from the bell icon in Xero.